instructional video on how to assemble the Shelter Logic Firewood Rack-in-a-Box. These are available in 4-foot, 8-foot, and 12-foot. This is the 8-foot, part number 90402. Let's get to work. First step is to remove all the components from the box. The fire rack comes with a cover. Get to it later. Here's our instructions. Components are numbered 00755, 2 of those, 00756, 4 of those, 00757. These two here are the verticals, and the bottom tubes are horizontal to hold the wood. This is where it varies between the 4-foot, 8-foot, and 12-foot. They just put extensions in there to make them longer. First step is to push the bolts through the end of the uprights, through these brackets, and into these pieces. You need to use 2 washers between the horizontal tube and the vertical on the bottom bolt. This equalizes the space because we have this bracket. The difference between Shelter Logic and others on the market is we have 2 fasteners on the bottom to give it better stability. Most of the other lesser brands on the market have just 1 bolt down here. You need a 1/2-inch socket to tighten the bolts, which I have here. Like I said, because this is an 8-foot unit, we have extra horizontal supports. If this was a 4-footer, we'd just put the vertical end on it and we'd be finished. You can see this rack has very nice space underneath for the wood to dry and air to get underneath. The washers on the bottom. If we wanted to do a 12-foot version, we just keep going. That's it, finished. Just gotta go load it with wood.